Welcome to Data Engineering channel. Um, Today we are going to talk about types of tables in Snowflake. Um, there are four tables that Snowflake offers. One is a temporary table, transient, permanent, and external table. So we are going to talk about them in detail. So temporary table. Snowflake allows to create a temporary table to store non-permanent data. This table gets created in the session, and once the session is ended, this table automatically gets dropped, and it's available only for the duration of that session, and it doesn't visible to any other user or any other session. And for the duration of the existence of temporary table, the data stored in the table contributes to the overall storage charges. And this table can be created using the keyword temporary. So create a temporary table name. And Snowflake also allows you to create the temporary table same name with permanent table. So while creating a temporary table, we need to be a little bit cautious not to create the same name as a permanent table. And let's move on to next table type. It's called transient. Snowflake allows to create transient table to store transitory data. So transient table, which is like similar to permanent table except fail safe. So this table is available for all users and sessions. And in order to drop this table, we need to explicitly drop. Like permanent table, this table also contributes, for storage cost, except for fail-safe. Since this table doesn't have fail-safe features, so fail-safe costs are not associated for this transient table. And using the word transient, we can create the transient table. And next we have is permanent table. So permanent table is like any other table in any other database. It's a regular table, and you know uh, this table has all the features. It's available for all users and sessions. This table needs to be dropped explicitly if we do not want, and do not charge for storage cost. And like in any other database, so this is a common syntax, regular syntax, create table name. So these are three different certain types of tables. And we have one more table called external table. Snowflake allows to view the external stage data in Snowflake as if that data is available in Snowflake table. So the external stage could be S3 or Azure Blob or GCP bucket. So since it is just Snowflake is just referencing the external stage, it actually doesn't store or maintain the external stage data. And since it's just a read only, it doesn't allow you to manipulate the data in Snowflake. External table can be used in joins, and views can be created on top of external tables. So these are very high level details about types of tables and how each table can be created and what is the use of each table. So we are going to talk more about Snowflake concepts in detail in the upcoming sessions. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.